Okay, I remembered to let go this time. Go! Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This is it. There's no way they follow me past here, right? Okay. Can't reach. Alright. Oh, there's no way I should have been able to make that. Oh, I'm so lucky these aren't moving. I am preemptively... Ah! Niri! Niri, get up, Niri! We have to keep going. Are you okay? That was a huge fall. I've done worse. Doc should be nearby. We must be close. Oh, Niri! Niri's hurt again. Oops. This looks like the way. I found a little home. Zurks! Doc must be here. He's experimenting on the Zurks. Hey, Doc! Doc, I found you! Whoa! Wait, you're not a Zurk. Who are you? That's my badge you're wearing. How did you find it? Did my son send you? Oh, Seamus, you clever boy. I've been alone here for ages. I came here to test my defluxer, but it didn't go as planned. I wish I could go back home. I miss my son dearly. You can have a look around the house if you want, but I have no idea how to escape this place. Hey, be careful with that defluxer. At full charge, it can explode Zurks like confetti. This baby needs 1.21 gigawatts to work, and the only thing around here with that kind of juice is the generator outside the house. The problem is that it won't start. I think a fuse blew, and with all the Zurks around, it's too dangerous for me to go out and fix it. I'm not fast enough, but you just might be. If you can reach the generator and replace the fuse, I should be able to get the defluxer recharged. Come on, follow me. I'll show you what to do. Okay. I don't know what those things in the corners are. Open the window. Here, take this fuse. It's brand new. Thanks. Turning on the generator will be loud, so expect some zerks. Once you fix the generator, I should be able to charge and kickstart the defluxer. You just need to follow this cable, change the fuse, then meet me back here. Best of luck! Okay, follow the cable. There's gonna be zerks. You use that. I'm going to start running. I'm going to start running. I don't know how to get back, Doc! Did I go the wrong way? I did go the wrong way. Oh, it's these guys. I like Doc. Amazing! You got the generator back on. Have you seen how powerful the defluxer is? It's definitely our way out of here. Wait a minute. I might be able to mount this defluxer to your drone. That'd be cool. Baby, hold still. It worked. The defluxer is now installed on your fancy drone there. It's not meant to run off such a small power source. If you use it too much, it could malfunction. Just remember, it's dangerous. Now let's go back to the village. I'm coming home, son. Can I trip you? Nope. Can't trip people who are currently part of the quest. I panic every time I hear those things. Hold up. I just want to destroy everything. Okay.